everyone, this is Nana Bansal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Study by Nav. In my previous video, I already discussed with the orthogonal matrix. Now, in my today's video, I will discuss about the complex matrix, conjugate of a complex matrix, and transpose conjugate of a complex matrix. So, what is a complex matrix? A matrix whose elements are complex number are known as a complex matrix. So the question arises that what are the complex numbers? So the complex numbers are those numbers that can be represented in the form of a plus b iota. This is our iota, where a and b are real numbers and I is an or iota is an imaginary number, such that I square is equals to minus 1. So that if we have a plus b iota, then a is a real number or a real part, and b iota is an imaginary part. So this is the concept of a complex matrix. Now we will come on another topic. What is a conjugate of a complex matrix? So a matrix obtained from A on replacing its element by the corresponding conjugate complex number is called conjugate of a complex matrix, and it is denoted by A bar. So this will be easily explained with the help of an example. So let's try an example. If matrix A is equals to 2 plus 3 iota, 6 minus 7 iota, 5 minus 5 plus iota. In this matrix there are three complex numbers. One is 2 plus 3 iota, second one is 6 minus 7 iota, and third one is minus 5 plus iota. So for its conjugate, we have to do only one thing. We see the imaginary part. This is our imaginary part where the iota is present. So for its conjugate, we will change the sign of its imaginary part. Here the sign of imaginary part is plus. So for its conjugate, it will become minus. For minus, it will become plus. 5 is a real part, so it will write as it is. For a real part, there is no conjugate. And this is minus 5 plus iota, so it will become minus 5 minus iota. Only the imaginary symbols will be changed. So 2 minus 3 iota, 6 plus 7 iota, 5, and minus 5 minus iota is a conjugate of a complex matrix A. It will represent by A bar. We have some properties of a conjugate matrix which we discuss one by one. First property is, if we do the conjugate of a matrix A, then again we take the conjugate of a bar, then we will have A. Second property is, if we take the conjugate of a sum of A plus B or sum of A and B, then it will be equal to the conjugate of A plus conjugate of B. The next property is, if we have conjugate of Ka, where K is any constant, so it will be equal to conjugate of K into conjugate of A. Our next topic is a transpose conjugate of a complex matrix. So what is a transpose conjugate of a complex matrix? The transpose of conjugate of a complex matrix is known as a transpose conjugate of a complex matrix, and it is denoted by A theta or A star. In simple words, if we have a matrix A, that is 4, A minus 3 iota, A plus 3 iota, and 7. Firstly, we will find its conjugate. So we will have 4, a plus 3 iota, a minus 3 iota and 7. Now for transpose conjugate of a complex matrix, we have to take the transpose of the complex matrix. So for this, the R1 R2 will be interchanged with the C1 and C2. So we have 4, a minus 3 iota, a plus 3 iota and 7, which is our original matrix. Thank you for watching my video. For further updates, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.